Today, I show you how you can take your logo and turn it into a sweet little print or even a neon sign for your shop. So stay tuned. So I've already gone ahead and printed out my logo. All I'm going to do now is cut off all this excess paper and then cut out each individual section and then glue it to my 1/2-inch plywood. So I'm going to get as close as I can to the line without going over, and then I will finish it up on the belt sander. So really now this can virtually be used for anything: wood, plexiglass, metal. Mainly I'm going to be using it in wood. So I just have to double side tape it to whatever I'm going to cut out and just use my router with a flush trim bit and get it cut out. You see I have an exact copy. Here's an open sign that I had hanging up in the window in my shop. Just recently a bowl mysteriously flew off of my lathe and broke the outer ring. Fortunately, the open part of the sign still lights up, still works. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove all these little clips to clip the bulbs into place, and they're riveted in, so I'm thinking I could just drill them out and then screw them to the wooden round, and then put the bulbs in place, drill some holes for the wires to go through, and then get it all wired back up and see if it'll work. Toss up between either Kona or carbon gray. Why not both? So I'm debating on what color to paint the peace sign. I'm going to need to think about this one. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes for the wires and install these little spring posts that hold the light in place. I think I kind of like it. So there you have it. Pretty simple little build. I mean, any logo that you can print out, whether it's your own logo for your shop or a sports team or lettering that has some negative space behind it that you can cut out each individual piece, you could virtually do this exact same thing. And I mean, it literally took maybe a matter of an hour to do all this. And if you were just doing the print just to have, so you can do route out little templates and things like that, I mean, it would take even less time than that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.